Hello everybody. Today is a big day because we're going to pick up the engine, the UL Power 520 ISA for our RV-7. My dad and I are going to drive all the way to Belgium and pick up the engine there from the factory. Won't do it ourselves, you could ship it, but just close enough to get there, and it's just exciting to pick up the engine yourself. So that's what we're going to do, and then we can install it. Alright, let's go for it.
The UL Power factories are a little over 300 kilometers from our house, so that's about a 3-hour drive. In order to make the round trip in time, we started very early. So we left at 7 in the morning. And after 3 uneventful hours of driving, we arrived at the UL Power factory in Ypres, Belgium. And there was a crate waiting for us. Patrick, the managing director of UL Power, had a forklift, and he skillfully put the crate in our car. And that's why we used the car of my dad, because my hybrid car has a battery pack in the back and the clearance is too low for the crate to fit. Okay, we loaded the crate and said goodbye to Patrick and Evelien, and we drove 3 hours back to the Netherlands. Unfortunately, we don't have a forklift, so we had to manually push the crate from the car onto the trailer.
And we're back. And look what we've got. Ooh, a nice UL Power engine in the box. Next step is to build this in my RV-7. I have to wait for the extension on the engine mount. As you know, the engine mount, the standard RV-7 engine mount for the Lycoming engine doesn't fit, or actually it does fit. However, because of the weight of the engine, this engine is about 40 kilos, like almost 80 pounds lighter than the Lycoming. It means that I have to shift the weight. So I'm waiting for the extension module that shifts the weight about 8 inches, 20 centimeters to the front. Continuing building my pie in the sky.